City, you actually can do the Rail Explorers where you actually ride the rails. When I say ride the rails, I mean you're straight up riding the rails. So have a good time when you are here. People are nice. Ask for Heather. She's pretty cool. Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Wolters World, and today we're in Boulder City, Nevada. And we just went on the Rail Explorers and just came back. It's actually a really cool thing right outside Las Vegas. You get on these bikes here and you actually bike down the railroads about 4 miles. It is an incredible view and incredible time. So I think I'll show you what it's like to enjoy, and we'll talk at the very end because this was a great experience.
Show me your pedaling skills, baby.
Look, I can
Woo!
pedal.
We can pedal, yo!
Recumbent bike for the win!
Woo!
Well, they're starting to catch up to us, so I guess I'm going to have to start pedaling now. But this is really fun. You got to do this. You're here, not very far from Vegas. So worth it. So worth it. So we're on our way back from the Rail Explorer. We actually took the 4 miles that you're on your little bike thing on the rails. It is super fun. Special thank you to our friends Tanya and Dave from Turn It Up World, who introduced us to this. It's well worth it. Easy trip out here to Boulder City from Vegas. Fun for the whole family. Not too expensive either. Definitely check it out. Because you ride 4 miles out, you sit around and enjoy the beautiful sunset, and then they take you back in the train all the way back. Some nice views of the countryside. It's just a wonderful experience. So hope you check it out. If you want to learn more about coming to Vegas, go check out my buddies Turn It Up World. Because they have so many fantastic videos to help you get and experience more of Vegas, the Strip, and so much more. Check them out to learn more, but I hope you have a good time. If you do the Rail Explorer, you just stay on the Strip. Have a good time. Be safe here in Vegas. Bye.